Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little tote that I got at a thrift store. It is definitely not my style, and I am going to give it a makeover and make it more my style. So the first thing I'm going to do is just give it a quick sand with my sander. And then I am going to start painting it with a few coats of white chalk paint. I did end up painting the whole entire thing. Inside, I even painted the bottom and the handle, just the entire crate, just to get rid of that orange because I did not like the color at all. So I'm just going to go over it a few times with some chalk paint and then let it all fully dry. And just making sure that that orange is covered completely. Once I have that all painted, I am going to take these transfers from Timeless Designs, and it's these sunflower transfers, and I'm going to use this bottom one here. And I'm going to line this up with the bottom of the crate. And peel off that backing, make sure that I get it lined up perfectly with the bottom. And then press it down, and then start using the applicator to press down the rub-on transfer. And as I'm pressing down with the applicator, I'm just going to slowly start peeling it up, making sure that I get all of it and that I'm not missing any pieces. And you want to make sure that your paint is fully dry before you start doing this. And just keep rubbing and pulling a little bit at a time until you get that whole design on there. Especially the little pieces like these little leaves. Those are the hardest ones to get pressed down. And I just went through and did the whole thing. And then once I feel like I have the whole design on there, I can pull up the rest of the top of it. Make sure that it's all adhered, and look how cute this is. Next, I took a little bee from that same transfer set, and I'm going to put that right above the sunflowers and just rub that on as well. Once I have that all on there, I am going to take some polyacrylic and I'm going to give it a good coat of that to protect it. And I did this on the whole thing. I did everywhere that I painted, I put the polyacrylic. Making sure that I get it on there nice and even. And then once I was finished with that, I'm just going to put this bundle of sunflower in here. So I had the sunflower pick from Joann's, and I'm just going to add that in. And you can add whatever you want to yours. This is just what I had on hand. I may change it out. I'm not really sure, but that is it. I think this turned out so super cute. I absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.